Hey everybody, Jack Rabbit here. Today we're going to be doing another challenge lock. This one's going to be Hippie number 3 by Lockpicking Hippie. Wanted to show this packaging because this is probably the coolest packaging I've seen for a challenge lock so far. But let's see what we got in here. So we got the lock, and it looks like a log, and we got another log, and then we got the key. So again, this is the Hippie number 3, lockpicking Hippie. Here, I'll show the key because I normally forget. But that's the key. All right, let's get this out of the package and mount it up. See what it takes to pick this open. All right. This is this mock workshop tensioner. And I'm going to use a Code Instruments short hook. And let's get picking. All right. Nothing on 1 or 2. 3's binding. Click out of 3, and now it's actually, I might have overset that. Got a little overzealous there. Let's see what 4 is binding. Click on a 4 and the cord turned. See if we got anything on 5. Feels binding. Click on a 5 and the cord really turned. Alright, counter rotation on 1. Alright, we're still in a false set. Counter rotation on pin 2. Maybe. It's not wanting to go, so let's see what else we got here. And 5 had a little bit of a click there. And 1's still juggling. I want to say it's pin 2. I'm going to see if I can manually release a little bit of tension. Yeah. Not getting anything on that. Let's see what else we got. A little counter rotation on 3. Let's see if we get anything out of that. Alright. Click out of that. Might have overset it, but let's see if I dropped anything. Yep, I dropped number 4. And it seems like I dropped number 5. Yeah, okay, we're back in business. I dropped 1. And that is clicked in, and now we still have something. What is it? It's got to be 2. I have to manually release some tension here. Okay, that clicked now. So let's see if I can figure out. Dropped 4. All right, now back to 1. Okay. What else did I drop? Looks like a little counter. Oh, there we go. Something clicked on 5. All right. Rotation on 3. And get the grip on it. And there we go. And it's open. Oof. It was a little tougher than I thought it was going to be. So, got a key, so I'm going to lock this back up. And let's see what's inside it. Oh, knocking things over. All right. Push the shim, and let's see what we've got. All right, so pin 1 was a pretty good spool there. Let's go with the spring. Oh, we got, oh, interesting. I'll have to give you a closer up look at pin 2 here, but I see where I was struggling. Oh, it's a tiny spring. All right, that makes a lot of sense. All right, pin 3 looks like a spool. A normal spring. Let's see what we got for pin 4. Looks like it might actually be standard. Oop. Ooh, almost lost a spring. I want to do that. And oh, that's a fancy. Pin 5 was also very fancy, yeah. All right, let's look at the key pins here. So we got pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so let me reorganize these. Good work on all of the key pins as well. But if I want to, so I'll do a close up here. But what's interesting, it looks like, if I'm right, yeah, look at that, pin 2. I think that's what I was struggling with, as I was probably setting, probably got into these grooves here. And this one was held behind. That's very cool pins. Very cool pin work. Yeah, let's check the core to see what we got on the core here. Let me grab my flashlight. So we do have some threading on the core. See if I can. It looks like 5 is threaded, 4 is not. 3's got a little threading. 2's got some interesting cutouts there. It's also threaded. Oh yeah, you can see it there. And it looks like one is not. Let me just double check. Yeah, one's not threaded. But interesting work there. Anything on the body here? No. No. All right. So that was Hippie number 3 by the Lockpicking Hippie. Really awesome lock. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of the lock and the pins in the comments. Thanks for watching.